Many marriages end in divorce because of financial problems. Frequently, this occurs because couples make bad choices before the wedding or soon thereafter. Those bad choices then haunt them and create recurring marital conflicts. Therefore, I offer the following suggestions to help couples develop financial plans to carry them throughout their marriage and into retirement. Number 1, develop a financial vision. Achieving financial success requires detailed planning. A well-defined course of action will help you and your spouse avoid some of the obstacles that have prevented others from achieving financial goals. The financial planning process may go something like this. First, it is imperative that you and your spouse agree on the financial vision. This will help you reach your goal in the shortest amount of time with the fewest obstacles. One person cannot be saving money to purchase a new house while the other person is spending all of their money on other things. The power of unity is tremendous, so use it. If you do, you and your spouse can capitalize on the spiritual law that govern teamwork that is noted in Amos 3:3 and Matthew 18th chapter, verse number 19. By the way, the touching that Matthew 18:19 refers to is so much more than holding hands when the two of you pray together. This verse refers to united, internal, and commitment to reach a mutually desirable goal. Secondly, reaching your goals will require a way to track your progress. This means you should put your goals in writing. Therefore, sit down with your spouse and discuss your dreams, goals, and visions. After making a firm decision about what you want to achieve, write it down. This will help you stay focused on achieving your financial goals when unexpected things occur that could derail you. Thirdly, don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Achieving financial success, just like anything else worth achieving, is a progressive activity that requires patience. Your patience, linked with daily acts of diligence, will help you manifest your vision of success and prosperity.